What's up, guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at the Sunpac tripod. I picked this thing up at Best Buy for under $40. This is the Sunpac 5858 DLX. It's an aluminum tripod with a 3-way pan and tilt head. Let's go ahead and open this thing up and take a look at it. One thing to note is it is pretty lightweight. Hopefully it's durable, but you know, who knows? It's under $40, but it is pretty lightweight, so that's a plus. Okay, so you do get two accessories with this. You get a generic, just a spring phone mount clip here with the tripod attachment, and you get a action camera tripod attachment. This tripod has a 58-inch height with a minimum of a 21.5-inch footprint. So basically, like when it's all folded down like this, it's 21. According to the little tag here, it says it only weighs 1.9 pounds, which, like I said, it is pretty lightweight. So this will be pretty easy to put on your backpack or something like that. It's just a little bulky, but again, it is a tripod, so you definitely don't have to worry about it adding too much weight to it. And like I said, it is aluminum, so it feels pretty durable. So you do get this nice little grip right here. This is like a foam outsert that goes on one of the legs here to make it a grip. It is pretty comfortable, it's pretty grippy, so you don't have to worry about, like, if it's wet, especially kind of slipping around on this. Whatever, it just makes a nice little grip. Alright, let's take it on over there, get it set up, and we'll see how sturdy it is. So you can see here I have it fully extended, just kind of wiggling it with my arm or my hand, and it's not very sturdy, so I wouldn't recommend having it all the way out. Alrighty, so for final thoughts, I think this tripod's definitely doable for a starter tripod if you're trying to keep the price down pretty low. Like I said, under $40, it's pretty good value. In my opinion, I've used some from like Walmart or stuff like that. That's like cheap plastic ones. Definitely, it's not going to be like top of the line, like, you know, some of those that are like $200. But if you're just starting out looking for a cheap, effective tripod that's a good starter, definitely check this out. I'll put a link down in the description, as well as some links to other stuff that I use. Hey guys, if you made it this far, thank you very much. Leave a comment down below, smash that like button, and stay tuned for more photography and videography videos. We'll see you next time.